Need to cut, sand, saw, a stable workbench. Hi guys, welcome to Worx product introduction. My name is Scott. I'm your Worx specialist. Today, I'm here to introduce you Worx JawHorse portable clamping workstation. This heavy-duty workstation is multi-purpose and with powerful clamping up to 1,000 kilograms. It is a solid steel construction, provides rigidity and strength and the tripod base for the ultimate stability. Want to know what's inside the box? Let's go to unboxing session. Here we are Worx product unboxing session. The first is the JawHorse and the second is the tool tray. And last we do include the product manual and warranty card. Want to know more about Worx? Subscribe us from now.